Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech accessories. Today, we're going to explore a product that promises to enhance your laptop experience dramatically. Whether you're working from home, in a cafe, or on the go, having a stable and secure laptop setup is essential. That's why we're excited to introduce what we believe to be the best laptop grip strips on the market. The 2X Non-Slip Bumper Feed Strips Kit by LaFix. These grip strips come with everything you need to give your laptop the stability it needs. Designed specifically for a variety of Dell Inspiron models, including the 5368, 5378, and 7000 series. These bumper feed strips are also compatible with select HP laptops, making them a versatile choice for many users. But what makes these strips stand out from the rest? First and foremost, let's talk about the adhesive. The strips feature a powerful 3M 9448 adhesive that provides an excellent bond on a wide range of substrates. This means that once you apply these strips to your laptop, you can trust that they'll stay in place, even during extended use. You won't have to worry about them peeling off or losing their grip over time. Installation is straightforward, too. The kit includes a spudger, tweezers, and 2 surface wipes, making it easy for you to clean the area where you'll apply the strips. Just clean the groove or surface, peel off the backing, and stick the strips into place. Simple as that. In terms of design, these strips are not just functional, they're also sleek and unobtrusive. They blend seamlessly with your laptop's aesthetic while providing that essential non-slip grip. This is especially beneficial if you tend to use your laptop on slippery surfaces like glass tables or your lap. The non-slip feature ensures your laptop stays put, preventing any accidental slips that could potentially lead to damage. Now, let's talk compatibility. The LaFix non-slip bumper feed strips are perfect for a variety of Dell models, including the Inspiron 5368, 5378, 5379, 7368, 7375, and many more. If you own an HP laptop, you're in luck as well. These strips are designed for various HP models, including the Spectre series. So, whether you're a Dell or HP user, this kit is likely to meet your needs. When you purchase the kit, you get 2 bumper feed strips, 1 spudger, 1 pair of tweezers, and 2 surface wipes. This comprehensive package ensures that you have everything you need to achieve the perfect installation, making it a great value for the price. For optimal results, we recommend cleaning the area thoroughly before application. The surface should be completely dry to ensure that the adhesive bonds properly. Follow the simple installation steps, and in no time, your laptop will be equipped with these high-quality bumper strips. In conclusion, the 2X Non-Slip Bumper Feed Strips Kit by LaFix is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance the stability and usability of their laptop. With its high-quality adhesive, easy installation, and sleek design, this product truly lives up to its reputation as the best laptop grip strips on the market. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech insights, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried this product yourself. Until next time, keep your tech organized and your setup stable.